So here's a batch of milk kefir I made yesterday afternoon, and I bought some kefir from the supermarket in a bottle. I'll show you the bottle. Yeah, this one here from Fresh Choice, I think. So, and I bought some pasteurised milk from one of the outlets around Nelson. So warm the milk gently, just tepid, so it's just taking the cold edge off it, because when it comes out of the dispensing machine it's chilled, of course, so just take the coolness off it. And then I poured it into the flask here, it's a wide mouth flask, and I added, well, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of the kefir in the bottle, and I mixed it around, turned it upside, put the lid on, turned it upside down in the thermos here, put the lid on, and this morning it is lovely. Look at this. It is lovely and thick. It's got no grains in it, but I think eventually it will form grains. So that is lovely. I'm so thrilled, because the kefir I've made in the past with the grains hasn't gone as thick as that. And it's supposed to be like runny yogurt, and this is about right, so I like this. So of course when I put it in the fridge, I think it will thicken up a little bit more. So there you are, that's how to make milk kefir if you don't have any grains. It's really simple. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'll do more later. Bye.